Hey, Mr. Squirrel. You're looking extra cute today, honey. Hi, guys. It's me, Lindsay. And today we are doing this last minute Christmas craft to make pine tree candlesticks. I'm loving the trend of all these pine tree candles, but I always feel bad about burning decorative candles because I just never want them to go away. Well, with this craft, you don't have to feel bad for burning them because you can always make more. All you're gonna need is candlesticks, hot water, and a knife, and you can make these beautiful candlesticks to put on your tablescape or on your mantle.
And I actually like how they turned out better than what I could buy because they're more minimal and modern.
And let's make this quick and easy pine tree candlestick craft.
To begin your project, you're going to need to heat your water to 180 degrees. That's right under boiling, so you can kind of touch the water and it'll be really hot, but not too hot you're going to burn yourself. Then sit your candle into this water for about 5 minutes, not so super long. You will see that the wax is starting to melt and you'll see wax floating in the top, and that's totally normal. To create the pine tree candle, all we need to do is cut into the softened candle at a 45-degree angle. You'll create this little lip and it'll naturally just curl at the end. As you're working with the candle, it's naturally going to cool and you're going to have to start dipping it in the hot bath again. You'll know you have to dip it when it starts cracking like this. When it's cracking like this, it says that the wax is becoming brittle and it's going to just start breaking rather than curling and slicing nicely. So just dip it back into your bath for 2-3 minutes at a time and just bring it back out and start cutting it again. If you see any brittleness, just put it back in the water and just keep on cutting into your candle until you get to the tip. Now we are going to rotate the candle and start again to make a new set of leaves. It is hard to show you on the long one, so I'm going to show you on the short one. You basically don't want to touch any of those leaf parts that you worked so hard to cut, so you're going to have to hold it end by end. That's why on camera I couldn't show you on the long one, because I had to hold the one end with my hand and the other end against my chest, so I didn't touch any of the leaves. But basically you're just going to keep on cutting leaf shapes into the side of the candle until you get to the tip, and reheat when necessary. You might also find that you need to reheat your water bath because it's sitting there while you're working, so make sure you always have water on your stove that is ready to go when you need it. Now we have finished 4 rows of leaves going up and down, so we have finished the pine tree candle. Before I'm totally finished, I like to reheat the candle one last time and lift up any of those leaves that have gone droopy from being reheated so many times. So just go in with your knife and gently lift the softened candle and your leaves will be as good as new. Now your pine tree candle is finished. I just like this take on the pine tree candle. I think it's so fresh and so modern, and it's easy enough that anyone can do it, so I hope you give it a try.
If you like me and my ideas, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I upload once a week about new home decor DIYs. And if you have kids at home like me and you need some ideas for DIYs for them, head over to my Instagram. I'm doing this series called Claire's Corner right now, and it is for my toddler, and I give her activities that change weekly. So if that interests you, make sure you follow me on my Instagram at Life by Lindsay. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I will see you again. Bye!